guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dishes by E.L.I. I'll be making a vlog for my mom's 50th birthday party. I'll be making a cake, donuts, small chops and more. Join me through the process of making this happen. In this video, I went to the market to get few ingredients for my mom's party. I got flour, sugar, yeast, and more. The next day, I started by making my cake. I made vanilla cake, I made red velvet cake, and I made chocolate cake. I couldn't film a detailed video because I did not have light. We did not have light, but I know that with this short clip, you will enjoy the process of me making this cake. Red velvet and chocolate cakes are easy to make without the mixer, but I did not have time to stress myself, so I had to use my mixer. For vanilla cake, you have to mix with your machine because it takes a lot of time when you are using your hands.
2 days later.
2 days after I covered my mom's cake, she wanted a white buttercream and I gave it to her. To be honest, it's not easy to cover a cake, but at the end I was able to get a smooth and well covered cake. As you can see, very beautiful and nice. I struggled with coming up with the design. I later removed the edible gold because it wasn't looking nice, and I kept it in the fridge because I had to mix my dough for my small chops. It was already late, but I had to finish my wrap for my samosa and spring roll. I also made the filling for my spring roll. I had to finish that evening because the next day I'll be making the donut. I was done kneading my dough and I oiled my bowl, then covered to rest for a while before putting them into small sizes. I was able to get 13 pieces, then I rolled them into small buns, then used my rolling pin to flatten them. I was able to start them by adding oil on the dough, then adding a few flours on it, not a lot, so that it won't stick together. When I was done stacking the dough, I flattened it, then put it over a cover to cook for a while, and when it was cooked, I separated the wrap. I was able to make my samosa and spring roll wrap that day, but I was not able to make the filling for my samosa that evening because it was already late at this point. Here are my ingredients for the spring roll filling. I used spring onions, cabbage, carrots. I fried my spring onion, I added my cabbage, my carrots. For seasoning, I used black pepper, chili pepper, 1 seasoning cube, and salt. When the filling was ready, I had to wrap it into the samosa wrap, but I did not fry that day till the next day.
The next day.
The next day, I made donuts. I made about 50 donuts. I made a chaotic jollof rice. I made fried rice. I made pepper chicken. It was a really fun birthday party, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment.